What is up, YouTube, and welcome to the Trade Tourist channel, where we bring you reviews on gadgets, devices, systems, and even training courses on how to make some passive income online or enhance your existing systems you already have in place. Today we're taking a look at the MXC M2 Pro Miner. New device for us. Never opened up one of these before, so this is an unboxing and a review of how easy we found to set it up. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we got. It's not a very heavy box at all, it's quite light. Opens towards the bottom. And in the initial box, they threw this little guy in. It's a moonshot. No idea what we're going to do with this. Perhaps we'll, okay. One of those. In case you need one, you get one with this one. Some nice merchandise here, a couple of stickers, just run MXC, and webcam cover. It's nice little touches thrown in. A couple more stickers, and of course with COVID around, they give us a nice mask, fashion mask. How do you feel about that? They send you one of those. A booklet. It has the QR code to scan if you need to get the app, and we'll go into that a little bit as well. I did have a brief look at it. It's the Data Dash app, and a little further into the video I'll show you the setup of that. I haven't set mine up fully yet. I thought I'd do that as well, just to see if it's as simple as they say it is. A couple of different languages if English isn't your first. So some good info on there as well. Basic setup guide. I guess like everybody else, we kind of tend to put these down and go straight to the gadget. But we'll work through this and make sure that the setup is done correctly when the time comes. For now, let's take a look at the product. Matex, nice, neat unit, very light. Connections for the antennas. Kind of stiff on the opening there. It seems to be screwed as well, so I'll leave that for now. Put that on the side. We have a power adapter for your 2 ports. Clamp for mounting, just some hardware for that. Power cable as well. Standard 2-prong if you like, pretty universal. And then the antennas, which should just screw straight onto the top of the device as well. Let's take a look if there's any trickery. Nope, pretty straight up. An extra box. Not quite sure what's in here. Oh, it's just some sort of cable holds, you know, you can secure your cable against the wall or something like that. That's quite nice. Always look for little extras like that. So they've thrown a couple in there. And cables, and then they have your LAN cable as well, which don't really know the length of them just yet, but seems like it'll go a little ways. And they will be, yeah, you see, obviously we open up here and have a look at where we can connect those. So I'll pause it here now, I'll get myself a screwdriver and then we'll pick up. Anywho, back now, we'll do some editing. Let's open up here. Pretty straightforward. Okay, screws around. That opens up easily enough. We can see that there's some of the lights that they're talking about on there, some of the indicator lights, an earth, and USB port, and the LAN port as well. So Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Everybody's mounting these to the windows, they suggest as well. Obviously, it is weatherproof. I'm going to be mounting mine inside in the weather. Being out here, our summers are pretty harsh. So I'll be mounting this against the window somehow. I guess we'll find some sort of a suction device. And once I've found that, I'll give you an option on that as well, if that's going to be your preference as well, to mount it inside on the glass. We'll see what sort of a solution we can come up with that. So in the meantime now then, I'll pause the video again, and when I get to the setup at the router, we'll pick it up there again. What I tend to find about some of the reviews as well is it's all fair enough, it mines various coins, but how do we actually extract the value out of those coins? Which platforms to use, who's carrying MXC or Bitcoin's covered pretty much by everybody, but who's carrying MXC, DHX as well, to see, well, with mining with this thing, how do we actually get our money out, and what's it going to cost us in terms of platform fees, perhaps, exchanges, that type of thing. So there's a little bits of information that I was looking for. Everyone's just pretty much interested in the product, but we want to see what the actual return on investment is. So we'll get into the ROI in due course as well.